Hello people and welcome back to Sebas Foods vlog. Today I'm not going to be actually cooking anything. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to cut up and section a whole chicken the right way. I understand that you can go to the supermarket and you can buy a packet of chicken thighs and chicken breast already cut up for you, but this is if you've got a chicken and you don't really want to roast the whole chicken but you want to section the chicken. So this is what I would call the right way on how to cut up a chicken. So there you have the parts of the chicken. You have the breasts, two breasts, two wings. Of course you can keep on the extra little wing that I cut off. Two drumsticks. This is what you call the back of the chicken. Two of those. The thighs, chicken thighs. Two of those. And now just for the cleaning out, all you have to do is get your finger in there and kind of like squeeze it out. And then that's nice and clean there. I'll do it to the next one. It doesn't have so much, but just put your finger in there, your thumb, and just take those out. And then you just wash the chicken. So I hope this video was beneficial to you. Not many people, like I said, know how to really cut up a chicken, or in what sections, or how many sections you can get out of a chicken. So let me know in the comments if you want to see something more like this, or if you want me to show you anything else, how to cut up spare ribs, for example, anything like that. So until next time, people, see you soon.